What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? To watch a tutorial video, And I want you guys to welcome you guys into our channel app tutorial. And I want to thank you guys for choosing our channel app tutorial for watching this video. And by the end of this video, you guys will be able to transfer your Ethereum from Coinbase to MetaMask. Now, before I show you the process, let me make it clear to you guys. Coinbase is a crypto exchange and it's the world's second largest crypto exchange where you guys can buy and sell crypto. And it is also one of the easiest platform to buy crypto. So if you guys are new to crypto and you guys are looking into buying and selling crypto, then Coinbase is for you guys. And if you guys want to sign up into it, you guys can use our referral link in the description to get up to $10 bonus for signing up into Coinbase. And MetaMask is a wallet for storing crypto. Since crypto is digital, it requires digital wallet and MetaMask is one of that. Now let's get into the video. But before that, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel app tutorial for videos just like this, and let's move forward. First step, you want to go to coinbase.com and log in into your account. Then you want to go on where it says send/receive. Once you click on it, you want to enter the amount of Ethereum you want to send to your MetaMask wallet. So this is 600 rupees worth of Ethereum, not 600 Ethereum, alright? And where it says pay with, click on it and choose Ethereum. So the short term of Ethereum is ETH. After you put Ethereum over here, open your MetaMask wallet and choose Ethereum from over here. Click on Resist Receive. Copy its wallet address over here. After you copy it, go back to coinbase.com where it says to, you want to paste the address which you copied from your MetaMask. After you do that, click and continue, and then your Ethereum will be sent from Coinbase to MetaMask wallet. It's that simple. So hope you guys were able to understand. If you guys did, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel app tutorial for future videos just like this. And if you guys want to sign up into Coinbase, use our referral link in the description, and bye bye.